Hey everybody, welcome back to OctoClean Media. And today I'm going to talk to you guys about how investing in quality assurance leads to a more profitable commercial cleaning business. You're right, I said investing in it because it is an investment to your long-term success. What do I mean by that? Well, we view quality assurance person, maybe a manager that has to go do it, as payroll that may not be worthwhile. It may just be throwing money away. But let's get a deep dive into why it's not and what it can actually do for your company. So first of all, quality assurance, what is it? Well, look at this as preventative maintenance. First things it does, it creates accountability. You know, we've used our cleaning system. If you go in and you see something not dusted, you know who you're gonna have to go train. If you see a restroom that's dirty, we know who we're gonna have to go train. If we see the vacuuming's not done, well, you know which employee that might be that you need to go retrain, or maybe it's an entire crew. Now, view that as you're catching it before a customer catches it. When I train QA people, my goal for them is to, when you QA your building, my exact words, what would it look like if it was perfect? Now, no one's perfect, I know that, but this aids them in how strict should they be. Another thing we use, as you know, we use Orange QC, and that leads each one of my QA people to check the exact same thing every time they're in a building. That creates a system where you're not going after one person more than you're going after a next. You're going after the easy thing. Is it clean or is it dirty? Very simple, no arguments. That creates accountability. Next thing we're looking at is client retention. Now, a lot of companies go in and say, oh, we do QA. Well, they really don't. What they're saying is we do QA. It's when you complain, we come out and fix your problem. That's not quality assurance. That's complaint management. We don't do that. We do stuff to get in front of the complaint. So that's what quality assurance is. You're checking your buildings, your locations, and in turn, assessing that accountability every time you're doing a quality assurance visit. If you're focused on quality assurance in your cleaning business, you're gonna need the right tools to make QA visits and team accountability simple. One great option is Connect Team. It's an all-in-one employee management app designed for deskless teams and cleaning businesses. It lets you create shifts for each site, attach detailed cleaning checklists and site-specific requirements so your team knows what done right looks like. Connect Team features a mobile time clock with geofencing and also allows you to share training resources with your team via the app. It also has a built-in chat feature, so your team can stay connected without messages getting lost. As your company grows, tools like this can really help keep things organized. Check out the link in the description to try it out for free. Now, what else does it do? Creates training opportunities, right? Maybe it creates an opportunity where someone else shouldn't be on this team. They're not doing a very good job. I need to put them on a different building. They're not made to do closer. They can't handle a vacuum on their back. So you can assess your teams. You can see, like we've talked in other videos, are they using the system inside the system like we talked about in the restroom effective cleaning video? That gives you that opportunity before it becomes a huge issue. And lastly, what's the biggest reason that we see to invest into quality assurance? Well, profitability. I know what you're thinking. Profitability, what do you mean? I'm paying this guy to do it. There's no profit in that. You're absolutely wrong. First thing we talk about is referrals. If you're checking your business and your customer doesn't need to tell you how to clean and what needs to be clean, they're going to talk about that. They're going to talk about that to others. They're going to be the person that when your sales team goes out, can I use you as a referral? Absolutely. They're going to praise you over to the phone, that person, when they call and say, hey, should I pick XYZ company? Absolutely, you should. I've never dealt with a company that manages their own business. I always deal with this saying, and I'm sure you've heard it. Everybody's great for 3 months, and then you know what? All janitorial companies are the same. You're not doing that. You're investing into your future when you're investing into quality assurance. So keep that in mind every time you sign that check. Now, beyond referral, what else does it do? Well, you like to have that extra $2,000 because you did the carpet over the weekend? You're finding that out when you're doing your quality assurance as well. You're checking their carpet, their tile, their restroom clean, their windows. And as you're getting your reports back, you're going to be able to call that customer or send an account manager out there, be like, hey, we noticed when you were out there, your windows were really dirty. You'd be surprised how many times, like, you know what, you're right, they need to be done. I don't think they've been done in 2 years. Sure, send me a quote. Here's $2,000 for a weekend's worth of work. Quality assurance is an investment. Keep that in mind every time you sign that person's check. Every time that they go in and do a QA where it comes out bad or it comes out good, you're catching it before that customer. So that's why we invest in quality assurance for the future of our company, and you should too. Thank you for watching. And again, if you haven't liked and subscribed, please do that. Thanks again.